How to add a skill from GitHub to Claude. If you want to add a custom skill from GitHub to Claude, this video will show you how to download and import a skill step by step. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Claude skill. Find the skill you want to add and open its repository. Once you're on the repository page, download the skill file and save it somewhere you can easily find. Next, open the Claude desktop app on your computer and sign into your account. Click on your profile icon near the bottom. Select Settings and open the Skills section. At the top of the Skills page, click Add to import a new skill. Select the skill file you downloaded from GitHub and wait while Claude imports it. Once the import is complete, the new skill should appear in your available skills list. To test it, open a new chat and enter a prompt that uses the imported skill. Submit the prompt and wait for Claude to generate a response. That's how you can add a skill from GitHub to Claude and use it in your conversations. If you find this video helpful, click like, subscribe, and share for more AI tips and tutorials.